Good afternoon and welcome with Craft with Miss Conway Day 2. Today, to go alongside our wizard's hat, we can't be a wizard without a wand. So we're going to learn how to make our own wand. Now just a little bit like yesterday, we need to make sure we prepare our resources. On your next slide you'll find out what you will need. So you will need some scissors, a paintbrush or some kind of painting implement. I've gone for a straw today, but anything basically of a wand shape, some string, a pencil, paper, PVA glue or any glue, some embellishments and some paint. So the first thing I need to do is, using my pencil, my piece of paper and the internet, I'm going to research images of different wands and I'm going to create and design on my piece of paper what I would like my wand to look like. So this is the image of the one that I really like. I really like the string kind of detail at the bottom. I like the fact that the beads are embellished and they're coming off, and I like on this one the fact it's been painted as well. So I'm going to use this image to now help me design mine. This is my finished design. On my straw I'm going to stick on the beads, I'm going to wind around the string, and then once that's all dry, because I'm going to attach them with glue, I'm then going to paint it a bright blue colour. So I've got my wand, I've got my string and I've got my PVA glue. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my string in the glue. It's going to get very messy. Make sure it's all covered and coated, and I'm going to stretch it out. Now I wanted it to kind of be wrapped around the bottom, so I'm going to give it my best shot. I'm going to wrap it round and I'm kind of spiralling it as I go. And I'm using my fingers to just smooth out the string and the glue. Okay, so I quite like the way that looks so far. So it's quite a simple pattern. Might try something a bit different now. I'm going to try and wind it round to kind of make more of a swirly pattern. And then I'm going to keep wrapping it round still. Now, from my design, I wanted a little bit with the beads coming off as well. So far, this is what the bottom part of my wand looks like. Keep going round. Smoothing this last bit out. And I'm going to cut the end part off. So now I need my scissors. The end bit got slightly knotted, so I'm going to cut that off and leave that part hanging. So this is my first step. The glue, the string and my wand. I don't know if that bit might be too long actually for my beads. I'm going to trim it a little bit shorter, but I can always come back to that as well. So now what I need to do is I need to leave this to dry before I can paint and decorate. Now the next thing I wanted on my wand was some beads. So I don't have many beads, but I've got some like miniature buttons, and so I'm going to dip them in my PVA glue. I'm going to press them on. So it's just going to look like that at the moment. It doesn't matter what colour I have because I'm going to paint over it. Okay, another side, so different sides. Let's put one more on because my design had 3 beads. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this to dry. I'm just going to make sure my buttons are stuck on properly. I'm going to come back shortly. My wand is now dry, so now I'm going to go to my painting stage. So using my kind of brush, I'm just going to get my blue, just going to dab it on. So my wand is now blue, and to make it extra special and magic, I'm going to put a little bit of glitter so it sticks to the paint. I'm going to turn it over, do a little bit on the other side. And I'm going to leave it to dry. So here I now have my finished wand. Now the last thing I need to do is now attach the bead to the end string. So here I have my finished design with buttons and glitter and string. I look forward to seeing yours.